Hi guys, welcome back to SRE. I got Mike's 30.5 long rod back apart. You know, where I do lots of assemblies and disassemblies to check things, and um, there's his ramping. Got his case ramping done. Um, Mike, we're gonna. I have this kit here. It's an ADA billet head kit. I'm gonna pop that on there for you. We'll get that done. Only thing that we're waiting on as far as parts concerned is the spacer from ADA. I mean, we could make it, but by the time we make it, it'll be here. So, so that's where you're at right now. Porting is all done. That's ready to rip. So, lighten the piston, and you're good. All right, so I'll give you more updates, Mike. Also, I have a Taylor version 1 top end that's it's got a new piston, very little run time on it. You can see it run on my channel. And what it's for is to convert a G320, and you can pop this top end right on it. If you've got a 32, or well, actually, excuse me, if you've got a G320 case reed bottom end, and you want to convert it to a 35, just buy an ADA crank with a long rod and pop that top end on it, and be all set. So it comes with cylinder, pistons, piston rings, cylinder head, hardware, and so you know, message me if you're interested in that. If not, it's going to go in a box and go away for a while. Other than that, that's all I had. All right, guys, SRE, I'm out.